Generation of Unity Partners for the New Philippines. Today is the day that most parents and students around here is waiting for so long. So without further ado, to deliver her opening remarks, may I call Hannah Faye V. Laurino. Big hand please.
Honorable guests, should we introduce later to our beloved and kind school administrator, Ma'am Lady Tupan, to our passionate and dedicated school teachers and staff, to our loving and supportive parents and guardians, to all visitors, to my fellow Limarian students, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. My name is Hannah Faye Ilasis Laurino, a grade 2 student. It is my pleasure and privilege to welcome you all. Welcome to Limara Learning Academy 2025 Recognition Ceremony. Today, we gather not just to acknowledge our achievements, but to celebrate our hard work, dedication, and perseverance that each of us has demonstrated throughout the year. We are here to honor the individual fellow students who have excelled in their academic and extracurricular activities and to inspire one another to reach for a greater heights. As a student, we will understand the importance of education and the value of striving for excellence. We also know that to achieve success requires teamwork, support, and shared vision, which is why we are so grateful for the guidance of our dear administrator and teachers, and the camaraderie of our loving parents and guardians, and the encouragement of our loving parents and guardians, and the camaraderie of all fellow students. So, let us make this Recognition Day a time of joy, gratitude, and inspiration. Let us celebrate the achievements of our peers and reaffirm our commitment to continuous learning and growth. Thank you, and may God bless us all.
Thank you so much, Hannah, for the encouraging, inspiring message. Now,